Dear colleagues and friends, it gives me an immense pleasure to invite you all for the largest interventional cardiology forum of the country, CSI NIC Mid-Meet, here at Hyderabad, the city of pearls. For the first time ever, NIC is spread across 4 days, and you will be witnessing 39 live cases, 25 live inboxes, 350 plus challenging case presentation, and more than 75 keynote lectures. Further, this will be an opportunity to interact with 2,500 plus cardiologists who have registered for this conference. I wish you all have a great time here at Hyderabad and take this opportunity to learn, share and interact with each other. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sridhar Kasturi, Organizing Secretary, CSI NIC Midterm Meet 2023. We are inviting many international and national faculty members, and this will be a very dedicated program for highly advanced interventional procedures. And as you all aware, everybody loves Hyderabad. There are so many visiting places are there. All of you can come and enjoy this conference. I wholeheartedly invite each and everyone to participate in this program without fail. Thank you one and all.